Y'all hear that thundering and lightning? It's really appropriate for this video. It's kind of ironic that as soon as I sat down to film this video, it starts raining, thundering, and lightning outside. Hi guys, so I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I kind of just wanted to sit down and have a little chit chat with you and let you guys know some things that have been going on with me and why I've been absent from YouTube and pretty much all social media for a few months now. Basically, this is not like the first time that I've left YouTube. And by the way, I never intentionally left YouTube or plan to leave YouTube. It was just something that has happened. I think this is like the third time I've done it for an extended period of time. I've never had a set upload schedule, but I haven't really, I don't really know how to, okay, let me calm down. If you're somebody that films YouTube videos, you know that once you've not filmed for a while, it's kind of weird once you start filming again. So I'm trying to ease my way back in. I've never really had a consistent or set upload schedule, but there has been some kind of gaps, in like larger gaps than normal in my channel. Like I normally would upload at least like bare minimum like twice a month, but I've been gone now for some time. So I wanted to kind of let you guys in on just what's been going on with me and why I've been gone and why I haven't been uploading on here or posting on any social media or active on any social media. I don't know that there's like one reason. There may be, I don't know. I don't want to say like I've been, okay, I'll basically tell you like how I've been feeling and stuff like that. You guys can let me know like what your opinion is on it and what you think it is that I've been going through, or if it's just like normal, or I don't know. Let me just pause and say, I'm not a very good talker. Like I'm not a good speaker. I'm not good at expressing myself at all. If you know me personally, you probably know that. I am a very, 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 very good writer. I express myself very well through writing, but not through speaking. So I feel like I should have like wrote this down and then like, but I didn't want it to be inauthentic. So yeah. I get into like these, I guess you would call them funk, like you get into a funk, and it's basically I like lack motivation. I don't really want to do, like I want to do just like the bare minimum. Like some of you may know that YouTube is not, of course, my job. I mean, obviously I couldn't take a break for 4 months if it was. But I do have a separate full-time job apart from YouTube. So YouTube's always really been just a hobby that I've enjoyed doing. It's never been like my main source of income or anything like that. So that's really kind of what allowed me to be gone. And I feel like I'm the type of person, I'm not really motivated by money at all. And a lot of people on YouTube are. And I've never really like made crazy money or anything. But you know, YouTubers make pretty decent money, and if I wanted to, I mean, I could be one of those people on here making a lot more money, but it's never really been a motivation for me in any sense, really, of my life. Like, I'm not really motivated by money, and I really get a lot of times content, like, with where I am. Like, I'm really, like, content. Like, I don't need a whole bunch of money to I guess be happy. I don't know. I'm just not a person that's motivated by that, I guess is all I'm trying to say. So that's kind of like a factor or mindset that has also enabled me to take these breaks. So it's another factor that kind of comes into play. So being that I'm not motivated by money, I'm motivated by doing what makes me happy. You know, if I'm not feeling creative, I'm not feeling motivated, then I'm not going to create content. And I don't really care about, you know, all the other stuff. So I haven't been feeling motivated to be on any social media. I've actually been, these past few months, pretty antisocial. I haven't really, again, been on social media, but also in real life I've been antisocial. It's not so much now, like I'm getting out of it. Like, I'm coming around right now, so which is why I'm making this video. But I was feeling like very introverted, which that's my nature already, is I am a very introverted person. I'm not very outgoing. I'm always at home. Like, I don't go out. I don't really do a lot of things, but I've even these last few months been even more so that way, where I just kind of want to be home all the time, don't really want to be around anyone besides my like my kids, my immediate family. Also, as far as like my friendships go, all two of my friendships, I have been kind of distant from my friends, and if either of you are watching this video, I want to kind of apologize to you guys. I even missed one of my best friend's birthdays, which I did, you know, say happy birthday like the next week or so and apologize and stuff like that. So but anyway, yeah, I want to apologize to my friends and to all two of you just for me being distant, and any of my kind of associates that I had on social media, because there are some people that, you know, they're not my friends in real life, like we don't hang out, but they may be like we talk to each other on social media. So you guys too, I mean, if you're watching this video, if I haven't, like, you know, replied to you or commented on your posts or whatever, been active, apologize to you too. Again, just going back to the motivation, like some other things is, I was like towards the beginning of this year, I started working out. Like, I don't really have any motivation to do that. I did gain some weight. I've never been one that could really gain weight like that, but I did gain like a few pounds, which is weird. A couple days ago was actually my year anniversary of not eating meat. Last year in September, I became vegan. I was vegan for like a total of a month. It was almost exactly a month. And then I was losing too much weight. So I still kept out dairy, but I became pescatarian. So I would eat like seafood, like sometimes. And that's pretty much where I am now. Like, I would say I'm pescatarian, however, I don't eat that much dairy. This is a tangent, but yeah, so I don't eat dairy. Like, I don't eat, like, if you go in my fridge, like, I don't drink milk. Like, I haven't, even before I stopped eating meat, I stopped drinking regular cow's milk. I switched over to almond milk like a while ago. Like, my butter is vegan butter. My mayonnaise is veganese. I have vegan cheese. Vegan ice cream. So a lot of things like I don't eat, but a lot of times I do eat plant-based or vegan, but I can't label myself that, of course, so because I do eat fish sometimes, sometimes dairy, like rarely, like maybe I'll have a pizza every now and then or something like that, or like my mom will bake something with butter in it, or she'll bake a cake or pie or something, but I don't know where I was going with that. Yeah, I was talking about the weight gain, weight loss. Yeah, so when I went vegan, I did lose a lot of weight, and I didn't like that at all. I was happy with my weight. In fact, I wanted to gain a little bit more weight, not just regular weight. Like, I wanted to gain like muscle weight, like get fit and get toned. That's why I started working out. But I actually just gained some regular weight, which is fine with me. Like, I wouldn't mind gaining a couple more pounds and like getting in the gym. As far as like appearance and stuff like that, like, as you guys can see, my nails are not done, and I've constantly been getting my nails done for the last, I don't know, like 8-9 years. Like, I've never had like a large break without having my nails done. I may have like 2 videos on this channel where my nails aren't done, and that's just because I was in between appointments, so it's never really by choice. So yeah, so it used to be a time where you wouldn't catch me without my nails done, because I don't know, I just had this feeling of nakedness, like, if my nails weren't done. So I don't want to be like dependent on nails, I don't know. So, and also nails have not been staying on my fingers. I don't know what that's about. I don't know if that's due to like the change in my diet. I've been going to the same nail person for years, and I did go to somebody else, and when they did my nails they wouldn't stay on. So it's like, it's not the products, it's just they won't stay on my finger, or they weren't staying on my fingers. So I got tired of them for that reason too, because they weren't staying on. They would like lift and stuff, and that it would really hurt. But my nail place is also like an hour away, so that also ties into me not wanting to do anything and wanting to be in the house, because I have to get out of the house and drive there, which is an hour drive, get my nails done, drive back an hour. So that, you know, ties into the whole thing. So my nails are not done, my toes are not done. So that was like taboo for me. It was, but it's cool not to like depend on that type of stuff anyway. But I'll get them done like eventually. It's not gonna be forever. And then as far as like romantically, like feeling like you want to be alone, like you want to be alone, you don't want to be with nobody, like just leave me alone. So yeah, I was feeling like that. And also I have this like bout of anxiety as well, and it's really weird because that's never really been a thing for me. So that was really weird too. And I know like depression and anxiety, they usually go hand in hand, so that kind of makes me wonder if maybe that's what it was. But again, I don't want to say that. I don't like to like diagnose myself, and I don't want to like offend anybody that it does actually deal with those conditions. But again, let me know what you guys think. Like if you have these types of feelings, or if you go through like periods like this, let me know. Like I'm interested to see, like, am I the only person? And if I know you in my personal life, I don't want to talk about this video in person. It's hard enough to do it like this, but nobody's in the room but me, so it's okay, even though everybody's gonna see it that wants to see it. I don't want to talk about it. I don't like talking about stuff like this. Feelings, I don't like talking about that stuff. I did film some videos towards the beginning of the little funk period. I was able to film the videos, but I never found the motivation to edit the videos. And also I don't really like editing, so I really have to be motivated to do the editing and be feeling like in a creative state. So if I don't have that motivation, I'm really not going to edit. Filming is something that I've always liked to do, like creating content, but editing, really sometimes I do. It just depends on the video, but overall I don't really like it that much. So I do have some videos that I filmed again towards the beginning, like 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago, I don't know. 3 videos. One was actually a vlog. I went to an event for Urban Decay. And then I filmed 4 videos. Well, the vlog one, I think I filmed that like, I must have filmed that like in the end of May or something, because that was before, because I wouldn't have gone to that event, but I never edited that one. So I have a vlog. I have like 2 big PR unboxings. I had like a stack of PR stuff, and I unboxed all of it. I filmed that. And then I filmed a Fashion Nova video. So I have those videos coming. I'm going to edit them. And I'm going to post them. So when you see them, just know they're a couple months old. But I hope you guys don't mind. I know most of you, if I ask, you're going to say, yeah, put them up. So I'm just going to do it. Yeah, I didn't want to just come on here with like a regular video, like nothing happened, like I never left. I thought that would be kind of weird. So I just wanted to come on with this video to kind of explain like why I've been gone, how I've been feeling, and just kind of let you guys in on a little bit more like personal side of me. And that's something else I want to kind of do a little bit more, is get a little bit more personal with you guys. I know a lot of you asked for that, so I will be letting you guys in a little bit more, so hopefully that will be appreciated. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else like I want to say. Oh, I will be doing a video updating you guys on my hair. I know I kind of left a lot of you hanging when I did my video when I cut my hair, and I talked about, you know, possibly going natural. I'm going to update you guys with you know, what I've kind of decided and what I'm going to be doing with my hair. So that will be coming as well. So stay tuned. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss that and the other videos that I'm putting up. And I appreciate those of you that are still here, that have stuck around, that haven't left, still watching my videos, still following my social medias. Appreciate all of you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say in this video. So I will see you guys in my next one.